Pre-orders start September 12th, 2025. Launch date September 19th, 2025. Price. In India, it starts at 1,34,900 rupees. Display 6.3-inch OLED Super Retina XDR 120Hz ProMotion. Build forged aluminium unibody, ceramic shield 2. Processor A19 Pro chip with enhanced CPU, GPU and AI performance. Cameras: rear camera, triple 48 ppm max fix, main ultra-wide telephoto. Front camera 18 max fix with center stage and dual capture. Battery: life up to 33 hours video playback, 50% charge in 20 minutes. Memory, storage, options 256GB, 512GB, 1TB. RAM 512GB. Colors: deep blue, cosmic orange, silver. Special features: vapor chamber cooling, eSIM only in many regions. Advanced durability. Summary: iPhone 17 Pro has finally arrived with a stunning 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display, powerful A19 Pro chip, triple 48 megapixel camera system, up to 1TB storage, and amazing battery life of up to 33 hours. Available in deep blue, cosmic orange, and silver, this flagship brings Apple's best design and performance yet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest smartphones and tech news.